Hello everybody, welcome to SolidWorks Tips and Tricks. Myself Sharan Kumar, working as an application engineer in Best Engineering Aids and Consultancies. So today the topic we are going to see on how to create views of a part or an assembly in SolidWorks. So the SolidWorks has a beautiful capacity of automating the views of the part or an assembly in the 2D drawings. So let us see that in the 2D drawing window with one example. So we people are very familiar with the universal joint example. So this is one the so with this I'm going to create some views. So for that I'm going to the drawing window. So initially SolidWorks will offer with the sheet size and the record sheet size I have selected one. So once I enter into the drawing mode, the SolidWorks offers with the views that are created by the view palette in the task pane. So this is one of the initial view creations of the SolidWorks. So here we have some options: import annotations and auto store projected views. So what are the dimensions we have used to create this part or an assembly that will be imported automatically. And the second one is, so if we drag a single part from this view and place it on our sheet, and once we drag our mouse through this sheet, so automatically it will comes up with the views in that specific direction, so that we can able to select and place it in our sheet wherever we need. So this is how the SolidWorks initially comes up with the view creations. So the next next view creation is done with the help of view layout. So here we have a bunch of view creations. So the first four: standard views, model views, projected view, and auxiliary view. So these are general creations of views. So let us check out that. Okay, so for the expansion I have resized that one. So once again I am selecting that standard 3 views. So once I selected that icon, so the property window shows me which assembly I have selected, so the universal joint. So once I click the OK button, so it will comes up with the standard 3 views. So this is how the standard three views work out. So next thing is the model view. So the model view is nothing but the same. We got to select the pattern assembly from the SolidWorks, and next we got to go and select which view we needed, or multiple views also can be created through this option. So I have selected this front view and just to place it in here. So this is how the front view is being created. So from this we can able to create the other views also, like the auto projected view. Next thing is the projected view. So from the existing view can able to project the other views. So this is how the projected view will works out. So the next thing, the auxiliary view, this will prefer with some directions. So any one direction it will work at a time. So I have selected a vertical line. So with that vertical line it will comes up with the vertical motion, or in case we selected in the horizontal line, so it will comes in the horizontal motion. So these views won't be created. So this is how the auxiliary view will work out. And the next two views are basically used in the detailed engineering drawings. So first one is a section view. So the section view is used to show the cut sections of the selected part on an assembly. So it will beautifully work out. So it can be used by various sketches like a horizontal, vertical line. So you people have seen that while we are creating that. So once we select the section view, it comes with various kinds of cutting lines. So this can be toggled in between this by the tab key. So this is how the section view will work out. And the next thing is the detail view. Detail view is nothing but giving a very detailed view of this particular area. So once we selected that and place it in another place, so the particular area can be viewed very perfectly. So this view can be expanded or minimized the mouse itself. So it's a very useful tool in the engineering drawings. So the next thing is broken out section. So the broken out section is nothing but, so this can be detailedly explained by some projected views. So with the help of another one view, so I have to create one more view. So with this one I have selected the bottom view. So I have selected the broken out selection. So I'm going to draw one drawing in the selected bottom view, and after creating the bottom, so the broken out property will appear. So I've selected the preview. So once I'm started to given the depth of the depth of the drawing, so it will cut out that section and goes that much depth which we are giving here. So and it shows in the hatchings, and also a line will be intimated as how much depth we are going through that assembly. So uh, this is how the broken out section will work. So the next thing is break. So the break is nothing but to mention a very long part or a very enormous part to show in a single paper. So we can cut that particular pattern assembly into two or multiple parts. So by simply selecting, another view, and we can give the breaker proper view. So this is how the break wheel works. And the next one is crop view. So the crop view is nothing but just before going to this, once again we need with some particular sections. So before selecting this crop view, we have to go for a sketch, and we need to draw one drawing over here. So I have drawn this, and once we finish the drawing, we have to go back to the view layout and simply selecting that crop view, and thus it works. It's a very beautiful tool. So in a particular view, we need some particular area, we can use this crop view. And the alternate question view, so the last one. So this is nothing but to show a different view of the assembly in different position. So I have taken this view as an example. So I have configured this view with the two setup. So once I select this alternate position and selected this view, and I'm going to take on that existing configuration. So that's it. So I have two views of the same universal joint. So the same view. So this is how the alternate position view will work out. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.